All right, here we go with Discovery Coding 3 to 5 remote learning activities. This week you're going to be working in Scratch, not Scratch Junior, and you're going to be logging into Google CS first. First day you're going to begin your activities, then throughout this week you can try different activities that you have here from our CS first. So you're going to want to first get started by clicking the link here and button that says Google CS first. But you're going to need to remember our class code of GS8F3R. When you get on that link, choose that you are the student. It's going to create a new account for you. And we are going to enter the class code. And you'll only need to do this if you are a new student. You'll get a username and password for your CS First account and Scratch account soon after that, and that's what you'll be using if you're a returning student. All right, now it says, is this your class? Yes, this is the one. You want to be in the 3rd through 5th grade remote discovery classroom. So we say, yes, join. Do you need a new CS First username and password? Yes, you will the first time that you're in here. So you click yes, and you're going to want to write down your information. So write down that information, pause the video here if you need to, and when you are ready, you can go ahead, once you've written down your information, your username and password, check the box that says yes, you wrote it down, and sign in. And here we go. We are signed in, and we can go ahead and start any of these activities in our remote discovery class. Your first activity that we suggest you try is animating a name. And when in here, you'll see that there are an overview, there are examples, and there are different activities. So I'll start my first activity. And what's really nice about this platform is that you will be able to watch a video, and this one happens to have Olga, and learn how to do the project. As you progress through this, you'll also see other items that will help you with your project. To get started with your project, you'll click on the links section over on the right-hand side with the starter project. So you're going to need to sign in. Use your username that you got when making your CS First account. Use the same username and password that you got from your CS First. And if this pops up, you can click Save. So it will save it for you on Google. And then you can follow along in one tab as they talk to you and share with you how to build your coding project. In the other tab, you can build it and toggle back and forth with your tabs. When you want to work on your project and start it in Scratch, click the Starter Project link. Now this will open up a Scratch project, but you'll notice that you will not be able to save it online at the File menu. So what you'll want to do right away is start a brand new project the first time you are making something. Then you can change the name to whatever fits your project, and you'll be able, when you click File, to see that you can save it now. Your project may not be saved automatically, and so this will be important for you to make sure that you save now your work, because when you come back to it, you want to make sure that it was still there. Speaking of coming back to your Scratch project, if you click that Starter Project button again, it's just going to open up a new Scratch project. But if you go over to your username in Scratch, you can go to My Stuff and see the project that you were working on and look inside of it to again begin and continue your coding progress. To code in Scratch, We hope you have fun with coding here in the CS First program and in Scratch. Remember that it will take a little bit of perseverance and some hard work and grit as you code and learn a new programming language.